My dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, grade 2? Let's start our today's lesson. Our today's lesson is lesson number 7 in chapter 11, measure objects using different length units. Okay, let's start by the first exercise. Here we have this string, and we want to get the length of this string by inches and by centimeters. And how many centimeters? Who can answer the question? How many inches and how many centimeters? I'll choose now the super one whose name is Muhammad Mustafa. Muhammad, how are you? Hello, Muhammad.
Hi, thank you.
Muhammad, this is the length of this string equals how many inches and how many centimeters?
How many inches?
Yes.
7 inches.
How many inches? How many centimeters? Inches. How many inches? Use your ruler. Measure how many inches.
Ruler. I don't have ruler.
You don't have? Thank you, Muhammad. Bye. Grade 2, you have to bring your rulers. I'll choose now Omar Wael. Hello, Omar. How are you?
Good. How do you miss?
I'm fine. Thank you. Omar, how many inches is the length of this string?
4 inches.
4 inches. Very good. So let's write here 4. It's 4 inches. And how many centimeters? Now, Omar, measured by centimeters. How many centimeters?
Centimeters.
10
10 centimeters.
10 centimeters. Very good. So here 10. Now, Omar, let's answer this question. Are there more inches or centimeters? More inches or centimeters?
More inches.
Here, 4 inches and 10 centimeters. So is it more inches or more centimeters? 4 inches, 10 centimeters. So are there more inches or more centimeters?
More centimeters.
Which one is greater? More centimeters. Here 10 centimeters, but here 4 inches. So it's more centimeters. More centimeters. Thank you, Omar. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. My lovely boys, please, all of you, be attention. If you find more, take the short, take the shorter. Which is shorter, inch or centimeter? Actually, centimeter shorter than inch. So more means shorter. More means the shorter. More means the shorter. If you find more, take the shorter. Which one is the shorter? Centimeter or inch? Centimeter. So it's more centimeter. More centimeter. Okay? If you find fewer, take the longer. Which one is longer? Inch or centimeter? Actually, inch is longer than centimeter. It means you have it's fewer inches and more centimeters. Fewer inches, more centimeters. Now let's answer the next question. I'll clear this and let's move now to the next page. As you see, grade 2, we have this stapler. It's about 13 centimeters and about 5 inches. Okay? Do you use more centimeters or more inches? Centimeters 13, inches 5. so it's more centimeters, and fewer inches, more centimeters. Okay, now let's answer the next question. Find the measure, find and measure the object shown in your classroom two ways. We wanted to measure a real object. If we have a real bag, you can measure your bag, okay? Your bag about how many centimeters and how many inches, okay? If you measure your bag and you found it's 14 centimeters, okay, about 14 centimeters and 16 inches, okay, who can say now, did you use fewer centimeters or fewer inches to measure? Fewer, which one is fewer, centimeters or inches? Fewer centimeters or fewer inches? Here, grade 2, 40 centimeters, 16 inches. So which one is fewer? The number of centimeters or the number of inches? I'll choose now the super one whose name is Khalid Zuraiqat. Khalid, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Khalid, did you use fewer centimeters or fewer inches to measure?
Fewer inches.
Fewer inches, yes, because inches are 16. So here, fewer inches. That's right. You are excellent boy. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Now, my dear students, let's circle inches because the number of inches less than the number of centimeters. Inches fewer than centimeters. Okay, now let's answer the next question. Grade 2, don't forget, here we find this word fewer, so we take the longer. Which is longer, centimeter or inch? Inch. Fewer, longer. Fewer, longer, fewer, longer, fewer, longer. If you find the fewer, take the longer. If you find the more, take the shorter. Okay? Now let's answer the next question. We have this window. This window about how many meters and how many feet. If you measure it and by your yardstick or anything, if we write here 2 meters, okay, 2 meters is about 6 feet. Now, who can answer the question? Did you use fewer meters or fewer feet to measure? Fewer meters or fewer feet? Fewer meters or fewer feet? Who can answer? I'll choose now this super one whose name is Omar Mahmoud. Omar, how are you? Hello, Omar.
Yes, Mister.
Omar, did you use fewer meters or fewer feet to measure? Which one is fewer? Here
Feet.
2 meters, here 6 feet. Fewer meters.
6 feet.
How many? No, fewer, fewer. Which one is fewer? The less number. Which one is fewer? Here 2 meters and here 6 feet. So the number of meters less than the number of feet. Meters is less than feet. The number of the meters less than the number of the feet. So it's fewer meters. Here 2, but here 6. And the 2 less than 6. 2 less than 6, Omar. So it's fewer meters and more feet. Okay? Fewer meters. Do you understand, Omar?
Yes.
Okay. Why we take meters?
Mister, I don't understand.
Okay, Omar, we measured this window and we found it's about 2 meters and 6 feet. Okay, if this window equals 2 meters and 6 feet. The question now is, did you use fewer meters or fewer feet? Which number is small? Fewer means smaller. Which one is smaller? The number
Meters.
of meters or the number of feet?
The smaller meters.
Here, yes, here 2, but here 6. Okay? So the viewer is meters. Thank you. Bye.
Welcome. Bye.
Bye. Now let's answer the next question. I'll clear this and let's move now to page 560. In page 561. In page 561, grade 2. And if you measure if we measure a real one and we found it's 2 centimeters and 1 inch, okay, who can say, who can answer this question? Did you use fewer centimeters or fewer inches? Here 2 centimeters, here 1 inch. So it's fewer centimeters or fewer inches. I'll choose now one of you to answer the question. Let's choose Muhammad Farid. Hello, Muhammad. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Muhammad, did you use fewer centimeters or fewer inches to measure?
Fewer inches.
Fewer inches, because here 1 inch. Yes, fewer inches, because here only 1, but here 2. Okay, 1 less than 2. So it's fewer inches. Let's choose inches. Thank you, Muhammad Farid. Bye. Now, grade 2 who's ready to answer the next question. I'll choose Abdullah Muhammad. Hello, Abdullah. How are you?
How are you, Master?
I'm fine, thank you. Abdullah, if the length of this bookshelf 3 meters and 6 feet, okay?
Okay.
Sorry, it's not about 9 feet, okay? 9 feet. Did you use more meters or more feet to measure? More meters or more feet? More feet, excellent. Can you see here 9? 9 feet, but here 3 meters. And 9 greater than 3. So it's more feet, more feet. Thank you, you are excellent boy. Bye.
Bye. Mama.
Bye. Now let's circle feet. Here more feet. The number of the feet greater than the number of meters. Okay? Here 9 feet, but here 3 meters. It means it's more feet. Don't forget grade 2 that feet is shorter than meter. I said to you more means the shorter one. The shorter. Which one is shorter? 1 meter, meter or feet or foot? Meter or foot? Actually, foot shorter than meter. So it's more feet, okay? Now let's answer the next question, grade 2. Let's answer question number 5. In question number 5, would you use more centimeters, inches, or feet to measure the length of calculator? Would you use more centimeters, inches, or feet? Which one is more? I said to you more means the shorter. Which one is the shortest? Centimeter, inch, or foot? I choose now. I choose Muhammad al-Maghawri. Hello, Muhammad. How are you?
I'm well. What about? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Muhammad, would you use more centimeters, inches, or feet to measure the length of calculator? If you measure the length of a real calculator, you will get more centimeters, inches, or feet. More centimeters, inches, or feet. I said to you, Muhammad, that more means the shortest. Which one is the shortest? Centimeter, inch, or foot?
In centimeter.
No, centimeter. Centimeter is shorter than inch and shorter than foot. So it's more centimeters. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Muhammad al-Maghauri. Bye.
Boy.
Bye. Okay, now skip number 6 and let's answer numbers. Let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next page, grade 2. Question number 7. Do you use fewer feet or fewer yards? Fewer feet or fewer yards to measure the length of football field. We know that 1 yard is greater than 1 is longer than 1 foot. Okay, so yard greater than foot. Yard 1 yard greater than 1 foot. So now it's do you use fewer feet or yards? I said to you fewer means the longer. Which one is the longer, feet or yards? Which one is longer, foot or yard? Foot or yard? Longer, foot or yard? Okay, I write again here. If you find fewer, remember the longer. Okay, remember longer. Which is longer, 1 foot or 1 yard? Foot or yard? Actually, yard is longer, so it's fewer yards. Fewer yards. Okay, let's answer now number 8. Do you use more? Put a line under this word more. If you find more, remember the shorter. Okay, shorter. Okay, which one is shorter? Do you use more meters or more feet to measure the length of your school? Meters or feet? I said to you, if you find more, remember the shorter. Which one is shorter, 1 meter or 1 foot? 1 meter or 1 foot? Shorter. Actually, foot is shorter. So circle foot. Okay, circle feet. Okay, you will get more feet. When you measure, you will get more feet because 1 foot shorter than 1 meter.
Mister, why
Now,
you don't write number 8 and 6?
only choose, don't explain. It's no need to explain. Okay? Only choose. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
If you understand, bye. Okay, the main idea is to understand that the longer take fewer, the longer equals fewer, and the shorter equals more. When you compare here, look at the choice here, meters and feet. Compare between 1 meter and 1 foot. Actually, 1 meter longer than 1 foot. So, which is shorter means more. Shorter means more. More means shorter. Which is shorter? Foot shorter than meter. Foot shorter than meter. So, feet is more than meters. Okay. Now let's answer the next question. Question number 9. In question number, oh, we don't have any more questions. Now, my lovely boys, oh, we don't answer this question, grade 2. Let's answer this. We forgot to answer this question. Do you use fewer centimeters or fewer meters to measure the length of your house? Okay, fewer means the shorter or longer? Fewer. Who can say? Fewer means shorter or longer? I'll choose now the super one whose name is Muhammad Yahya. Hello, Muhammad. How are you?
Yes, Mister. How are you,
Muhammad, fewer means short. I'm fine, thank you. Fewer means shorter or longer. Fewer means
Shorter.
no, longer. Fewer means longer. Fewer, longer. Fewer, longer. Okay? Which one is longer? Centimeter or meter?
Meter.
Meter. So choose meter. It's fewer meters. Okay? If you find the fewer, you choose the longer. If you find more, you choose shorter. Thank you, Muhammad Yahya. Bye. Now, my lovely ones, the end of our today's session. Thank you, grade 2. I wish all of you understand this question. Please don't forget that fewer, if you find the fewer, look at the longer. If you find more, look at the shorter. Thank you, grade 2, and see you tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you and goodbye.